intro, the invisible garage. Welcome back to Future Prism Lab. Today, we aren't just looking at cars. We are entering a world where a garage costs more than a city's stadium. For the global elite, a car is not a mode of transport, it is a moving asset. A piece of fine art, and a declaration of absolute power. Have you ever wondered where the world's most expensive cars disappear? After they leave the auction house? Most of them enter the invisible garages. High-tech, climate-controlled fortresses, hidden beneath mansions in Beverly Hills, London, and Dubai. Today, we pull back the velvet curtain on the 7 most secretive and expensive car collections on the planet. This is the ultimate peak of automotive luxury. Chapter 1. The Sultan of Brunei's 7,000 car empire. We begin with a collection that is more like a myth. The Sultan of Brunei owns over 7,000 vehicles. This isn't just a collection, it's a massive industrial operation. Imagine walking through a warehouse where you see 500 Rolls-Royces, 300 Ferraris, and hundreds of custom-built Bentleys that don't exist anywhere else in the world. During the 1990s, it is said, the Sultan's family was responsible for half of the world's luxury car sales. Many of these cars were concept specials, one-off designs commissioned exclusively for the royal family. From gold-plated Mercedes to Ferraris, converted into station wagons for family trips. This collection represents a level of spending that the world may never see again. Chapter 2. Ralph Lauren's Rolling Museum. Next, we move to Bedford, New York. If the Sultan's collection is about quantity, Ralph Lauren's is about pure, artistic quality. His collection is often called a rolling museum. He doesn't just store cars, he curates them. The centerpiece is the 1938 Bugatti Type 57 SC. Atlantic, one of only 2 in existence, valued at over $40 million. Every car in his black painted garage is placed on a white pedestal with professional museum lighting. Lauren views cars as wearable art, focusing on the silhouette and the history. For him, the curve of a 250 GTO is as important as the stroke of a Picasso. This is where fashion meets the highest level of automotive engineering. Chapter 3. The Secret Vaults of Middle Eastern Royalty. In the heart of Abu Dhabi and Dubai, the car culture is different. Here, it is about being the first and being the only. We explore the SBH Royal Boutique and other private collections, where the world's most limited hypercars reside. Imagine a room filled with every single Holy Trinity hypercar. The Ferrari LaFerrari, the Porsche 918 Spider, and the McLaren P1, not just one of each, but in multiple colors. These collectors don't just wait for cars to be released. They fund the development of one-off models like the Bugatti La Voiture Nori. In these vaults, cars are kept in literal, oxygen-controlled environments to ensure the rubber tires never even age. Chapter 4. The Tech Titans of Silicon Valley. The new money in America, the tech billionaires, has a different taste. They focus on the future. We look into the private garages of Silicon Valley elites, where the focus is on electric prototypes and high-speed engineering. From Elon Musk's personal collection, including the original James Bond Lotus Esprit submarine car, to Mark Zuckerberg's surprisingly low-profile but high-tech fleet. These collections aren't about gold and diamonds. They are about raw data, performance, and owning the first VIN number of every groundbreaking electric hypercar, like the Remix Navara. Chapter 5. the mystery of the $142 million Mercedes. One of the biggest stories in recent car history is the sale of the Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe for $142 million. Who bought it? It is tucked away in a private collection, so secret that the public may not see it for another 50 years. This chapter explores the world of blue-chip car investing. Just like the secret art vaults we discussed in previous episodes, these cars are financial instruments. They are traded between billionaires in off-market deals, often without the car ever leaving its climate-controlled box. We analyze why a car becomes a better investment than gold or stocks. Chapter 6: How to build a billionaire garage. To finish our journey, we look at the engineering of the garages themselves. A billionaire doesn't just park on concrete. These are car cathedrals. We talk about hydraulic lifts that bring a car from the driveway into the living room, biometric security that rivals the Pentagon, and air filtration systems that remove every speck of dust. If you own a $5 million Pagani, you spend $2 million just on the room it sits in. This is the final level of automotive obsession, where the environment is as expensive as the machine. Conclusion: the soul of the machine. As we close our tour of the world's most elite car collections, one thing is clear: these machines represent the peak of human ambition. Whether it's a royal warehouse in Brunei or a museum in New York, these cars are a testament to our desire for speed, beauty, and status. Which of these collections would you want the keys to for just 1 hour? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to continue your journey into the world of the 1%, subscribe to Future Prism Lab. Our next deep dive will take you even further. Thank you for watching.